In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro Popular Investors. If you've been curious about finding experienced traders to learn from, the Popular Investors area is a great place to start because it brings together profiles of traders who share their strategies and performance history in a transparent way. Begin by opening eToro on your desktop or mobile device. From the main screen, look for the Discover section. Open Discover, then navigate to Pro Investors. Inside Pro Investors, select Popular Investors. On some versions of the platform, you may see Discover People instead. If that's what appears, go there and then choose Popular Investors. This brings you to the hub where eToro highlights traders who meet certain criteria and are part of the platform's program for sharing their results and insights. Once you're on the Popular Investors page, take a moment to get oriented. You'll typically see a grid or list of investor profiles. Each profile card gives you a quick snapshot, recent performance, a risk score, the types of markets they focus on, and how consistent their returns have been over time. Open a profile to learn more about their approach, but even at a glance, you can start forming an understanding of who might align with your preferences. As you review what's on the screen, pay attention to context rather than just headline numbers. A steady track record across different market conditions can be more informative than a single standout month. The risk score is also a useful guide. Lower scores generally indicate a more conservative style, while higher scores reflect greater volatility. Neither is better on its own. It depends on your comfort level. You'll often see drawdown information and a breakdown of the assets the investor trades, such as stocks, ETFs, or crypto. This helps you understand whether their style matches your interests and tolerance for ups and downs. If they share commentary or a strategy description, read it closely to see how they think about entries, exits, and risk management. Remember that what you're seeing is historical data. Markets change, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Use this page to inform your research and to learn from different approaches, not as a shortcut to certainty. To recap the path, open eToro, go to Discover, head into Pro Investors, and select Popular Investors. Or choose Discover People if that's what your version shows, and then Popular Investors. Explore thoughtfully, compare profiles, and use what you learn to build your own informed perspective.